Hi and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a ghost that is holding a boo sign. This little ghost can go along with the trick or treat title we did last week and the stacked jack-o'-lanterns with the bats and the bats flying over the moon. I think I'm going to try to put those in a layout. I don't know if all of them will fit on one, but we will try. So the rest of the week, the Halloween images will probably just be different ones that don't necessarily need to go on this layout with these ones. Okay, so this ghost is about 6 inches wide. You can see the little SVG in the right-hand corner. That is what he looks like. I know he looks kind of weird before you glue the little sign on top of him, but it will make sense once you get that on. Now it looks like the ghost is kind of putting his hands over the sign, but to make it easier to cut out, you just kind of rest it on the ghost, and when you put it together, you'll see that where it's supposed to lay to make it like it's obvious when you put it down. I did that just to make it easier when you're cutting it out so you don't have extra pieces of the hands just kind of sitting there. So now you can see that how it works, and then you just add the boo sign and add his cheeks, and then we're done. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.